Pork sabor, kahit pork.
Very good. Very good. And then, add the things na that you have, like, pimento, after pimiento, konti lang siya. Kasi, yun ang pimiento, it steals, it's a flavor vampire. Sometimes it dominates too much, diba? Unless you first burn it, you know, the pimiento, the bell peppers, you char it until it's black, then you put it inside the supot, and then you peel it, and then it tastes sweeter than ever. Yeah, olive oil. And then you put a little more sabor, pwede na. Ulam na! Ulam na! Okay, maybe a little.
Galing. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Smash it for you. You want to really find it?
Yeah. No, just anyway. Did you ever get sick of this kind of sakit called amoritis? Amoritis?
Ano po yun?
Ay, masyado ka nai-inlove.
Couple times.
Siguro with your kapogihan, never ka na-reject ng girl. Ever? No, never.
Wala pa naman ako na yun.
Ay, may pinupuno si Mother!
Hindi. Wala pa naman
Ikaw
ako.
daw nililigawan eh.
Hindi. Kaya talaga?
Okay, one of the ways when you do something with a dish and you want to sweeten it, because some people like the profile of a little sweetness, you don't add sugar. What you can do is you can add green peas, you can add sweet corn to it, and it comes out just the same. Diba? And sweet corn or the cream corn, diba? And cream corn, you have already the fiber as well as the sweet note. So, a little more. So again, the only meat that we would have here would be chorizo. You can have more chorizo. Okay, very good, mother. And then, you will put in, additional siguro isa lang muna. And then that's it. Okay, so, can we make you taste? Yeah, please taste na, taste. Here, you taste your own, you have to taste it. Di ba, you also like eating like mashed potato? Kulang or more? Di ba?
You try it? For me, it's okay na.
Yeah, okay.
Kasi other one might not like too salty. Pwede na?
So, nagka-layer na yung potatoes that would be
You can actually taste.
a little more
It tastes
bland.
really good.
Yeah, di ba? Just by
It's really
itself,
good.
you can already enjoy your mashed potatoes. So what we would do is, from when you have your pastel, you just either put it in a casserole and put your mashed potatoes on, and you can bake it or low torch it, and you have your
Sarap? Sarap? Masarap?
Masarap yung tingi. Galing sa kanyang ano yan.
Joke lang.
Oh my God. Okay, so, with Bambi and with Asan na si Ken?
Dito.
With Bambi and Ken, we are happy to have presented to you all these dishes that are really practical, real, really flavorful, and I think you didn't make a mistake in endorsing the product. I myself would believe you and follow you. So thank you very much for this, and those who want to have a kiss, dito, yung kiss sa cheeks, dito. Yung sa lips, doon. Okay, thank you. So, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much, Miss Bambi, to Enrique, and of course to Miss